Hello my lovelies, so I'm Lizzie from Love from Lizzie, and today I am bringing you the May 2026 Love from Lizzie card kit. This kit is so much fun. It's quite different to what we're used to, and I've already had so much fun playing with some of the components, but I'll get to that later. We are going to be, just a little bit of admin, we're going to be cutting off on the 29th at 9 AM Mountain Time. So that's a Wednesday, because we will start shipping from 9 AM on the 1st, which is the following Friday. So you've got just over a week to get any add-ons if you're a subscriber into your basket. If you're not a subscriber, you can order the kit a la carte and add whichever you want to it, of course. But anyhow, this is what we're all here to see. So I'm going to pull you down from the top and you're going to be able to see what I can see now. So this is, I mean, you can see it right here. And this is what the kit's called. It's Steamboat Willie. I have been so excited since the copyright lifted on that artwork. I have been so looking forward to the prospect of being able to make this. So let's start off with the cardstock. You have 5 sheets of American letter, so that's 8.5 by 11. There's a mint green. There's an alcohol marker friendly white. We've got this gorgeous sunshine yellow. A really vibrant red, which is like a burgundy red. And then we have our black. So that's the cardstock. I'm going to show you our brand new sheet Pinstripe peel-offs. So we have blueberry blue with a silver finish. You get 3 different widths on our pinstripes, and this is the brand new for this month. As you can see, really lovely and shiny, and when you peel them up, let's just get one, you've got that really lovely shine of silver along the edge. So you get to keep the blue, but it makes it really nice and poppy. Let's show you the pattern papers. So they're 12 by 12. They are single-sided, so you don't have to choose which are your favourites. And they all feature these super happy and cheerful colours. And they're all, although we had a nautical kit last month, this is a completely different style, but some of those things from last month's kit are going to work really well with this. So I hope you've still got your Sleepy Seas out on your desk. But the check, there are so many lovely hero papers, which are really lovely in bold. And then you've got a really cute background paper that will coordinate really nicely with it. And it's sort of like a canvas with stars printed on. And then these are super cute clouds, and I love these clouds. We try to name all the different clouds where we live, and there's the Simpson clouds, the Toy Story clouds, and we have Steamboat Willie clouds now to add. We have the green with some black stars and a grid, and this is a really cute one with the all aboard and the actual steamboat. And then we have what look like postage stamps with Mickey tipping his hat with a cane. There he is again, but in a black and white, some anchors. We have a blue, and then obviously the cover paper, but the cover paper, you can trim the edges off and use it as well. So they are all the papers. Our stamp set this month is really good fun. So we have the little Mickey, or Willie, as he was at that point. Then we have, I believe he's called Felix. We're not confident on this, but I believe he's Felix. And then we have Willie at the helm. And then we have this cute bunting piece. And all aboard and bon voyage fits within the arc there. So you can choose one of those, or indeed leave it blank. You can stamp some of the little stars. You've got solids and just outlines. There's also the small anchor that features in the paper pack, and the compass rose, which also features within the papers, but not any other papers here, so you will see. And the frame, of course, you can stamp both Willie and we'll call him Felix for the purposes of this video, they both will fit within the frame, and Willie obviously does too. And the banner fits really nicely across the bottom. Everything has been sized to match. So that's our stamp set this month. And now let's run through some of the unusuals that I've included. So these are strips of, they're a vinyl, they're self-adhesive, and you've got one in this beachy coloured wood and then one in this really nice dark colour wood. And I thought they were quite good fun to possibly stand Willie on, because a deck is wooden. I just liked the idea of there being some different textury pieces, and along that line we've got these cork circles. Now cork always makes me think of when we used to sail as kids, because my dad had a cork key ring so that if he dropped his keys in the water they would float. But so I've included some little cork circles. They're just great for embellishments. Rather than going big on the bling and the shine, you can just use textures to make things stand out. And then we have a few bits and pieces in here as well. So I'm going to go through the ribbons with you. So I've got these 2 pieces of netting, which I think are loads of fun. They are wired, and this is silver, and it's got a glitter and the really chunky glitter on it as well. And then there's the same in brown. So just like fishing nets, basically. Again, going with that theme of a little bit of texture, a little bit of dimension. And then we've got 2 sort of faux ropes, one in white and one in brown. They remind me of the cords that you would use to tie the boat to the shore. And then we've got 4 strips of Grosgain ribbon. 2 are polka dot and 2 just have this really cute seaming along the edge. So you've got bright red and black in the polka dot. Let's put those together. And then you have this more muted red and blue with the stitching effect along the sides. So you get a length of each of those. I have just been informed he's not called Felix at all, he's called Peg Leg Pete, but he doesn't have a peg leg, so we can be excused, and I think Felix is a fabulous name for him. So and look at these. I'm going to pull you in on the close-up so you can get a really good look. These are adorable. They're these tiny little steamboats. And you get 3 of those in your kit bag. 1, 2, 3. We also have these life rings, which are the sort of thing that you would throw off the side of the boat if someone went in, and you get 3 of those as well. And they're in this red and pale blue, which works really nicely with the papers. And then you get these clouds, which are wooden, and they are beads, so you could have them sliding up and down a card. But there's 5 of those, and again, they work really nicely with the Steamboat Willie clouds. So that is that. We have, these are actually adorable. This has to be on a close-up so you can get the detail. So these little boats, they're charms, so you can have them swinging. You can use a brad, you could attach them onto the ribbon, possibly even the rope, although the rope may be a little bit coarse to get through there. But they are adorable, and there are 2 of those. And they're a really nice size. They are, let me see if I got a ruler here. They are 3/4 of an inch wide and 1 inch and a 1/4 tall. So they're really nice, substantial charms. So you get 2 of those. And then when you get 5 of these really pretty silver anchors. They're really simple, but nice to just add a little something to the card that's shiny without it being blingy, because Steamboat Willie is obviously fabulous for little boys' birthday cards, and it's certainly not excluding anybody else, but the bold colours, the nautical theme, all of these things lend themselves well to making boys' cards. And adding bling to little boys' cards doesn't necessarily work, so the texture and this bit of shine through other methods works really well. Okay, and now we have the, oh my goodness, I'm going to struggle to share all of this in one go, so I'll do my best, but we have the ephemera, and there is so much this month. Right, but look at this steamboat. Isn't it amazing? Have we got a card that's made? Yes, we do. Here we go. So we'll just use the back to show you, size-wise, how glorious that piece of ephemera is. So it will fit on a portrait, but on a landscape, it needs so little with all the clouds. It works. So we have the steamboat. We have Steamboat Willie. I mean, it's brilliant, isn't it? It's so much fun. Hours and hours of fun playing around with these, just with 2 pieces of ephemera. And we have different versions of Willie in both red and in blue. We have them in the frames. We have the turkeys, a lovely big sun, life ring, the helm, peg leg Pete that doesn't have a peg leg, another anchor, all aboard, a cow, bon voyage, a red life ring, more, lots and lots. And here we have Mickey or Willie, I can't get away from that, at the helm, and we've left this open so that you can either decorate or stamp a sentiment, because sometimes the all aboard or the bon voyage are not necessarily what you want, so we're giving you the opportunity, and you can stamp straight onto our ephemera. It will absorb ink beautifully. And we have a parrot, another anchor, this is in more of a silver tone, another steamboat, peg leg Pete with his little cap and his walking stick. And then we have lots of these really cute little stars in all of the colourways that feature in both the papers and the ephemera. So let's flick those over. There we go. There is also a die set that hasn't quite turned up in time. Unfortunately, it's been held up, but as soon as I have it, I will share it. And it is so perfect for this. So it's one of the reasons why we're releasing a little bit late today, is that we were hoping it would be delivered in time, but we didn't want to hold off any longer and let anybody down with when they expected to see. But if you want to see the die before it arrives in through your door, then check out our Facebook group, because as soon as I receive it, I'll do a live video in there to share it. It will also feature on the listing on the website. We will share the kit as is, but as soon as we receive the dies, we will get them rephotographed and add them onto the pictures. So we are about to do our product release, which has all of the recommended products, because we have got some brand new items that work specifically with this lovely kit. We've also got release items from Sleepy Seas last month. And then we've got other things that we have historically had in the website that you've probably got within your craft stash that we recommend you pull out onto your desk so that you have them available to craft for when Willie turns up. Okay, my lovelies, I think that is it. So jump out of this and go into the next one, and I will speak to you very soon.